A map of the Indian subcontinent, with emphasis on the region of Sindh in present-day Pakistan. In the early 8th century, a new power rose in the Arabian Peninsula that would soon reshape the political and cultural landscape of the Indian subcontinent. The Umayyad Caliphate, based in Damascus, had recently expanded its empire to include the Arabian Peninsula, and was now looking to expand further east. Cut to historical footage of the Umayyad Caliphate, with shots of the Dome of the Rock and the Alhambra. The Umayyad Caliphate, which ruled from 661 to 750 CE, was one of the largest and most powerful empires of its time. Its armies were renowned for their military prowess and strategic brilliance, and its culture was marked by a rich blend of Arab, Persian, and Greek influences. Cut to footage of Sindh, with shots of the Indus River and the Thar Desert. Sindh, located in present-day Pakistan, was a rich and fertile region known for its vibrant trade and cultural exchange. It was also home to a number of powerful Hindu kingdoms, which had long resisted Muslim expansion into the region. Cut to footage of Muhammad bin Qasim, with shots of his portrait and the city of Al-Mansura. In the year 711 CE, the Umayyad Caliphate dispatched a young general named Muhammad bin Qasim to conquer Sindh. Bin Qasim, who was only 17 at the time, led a force of 6,000 Arab soldiers and set out to subdue the region. Cut to footage of the Battle of Dabol, with shots of Arab and Hindu soldiers. Bin Qasim's first major battle was at the port city of Dabol, where he faced a Hindu army led by Raja Dahir. Despite being outnumbered, Bin Qasim's forces were able to defeat the Hindus and capture the city. Cut to footage of the siege of Brahmanabad, with shots of Arab and Hindu soldiers. Bin Qasim continued his march across Sindh, laying siege to the city of Brahmanabad. After a month-long siege, the city fell to the Arabs, and its inhabitants were either killed, enslaved, or converted to Islam. Cut to footage of Bin Qasim's rule, with shots of him meeting with local leaders and overseeing the construction of new mosques. Over the next few years, Bin Qasim consolidated his rule over Sindh, establishing a system of taxation and governance that allowed him to maintain control over the region. He also oversaw the construction of several new mosques, which helped to spread the Islamic faith among the local population. Cut to footage of the aftermath of the conquest, with shots of Hindu and Muslim shrines. The conquest of Sindh had far-reaching consequences for the region. It marked the first major Muslim incursion into the Indian subcontinent, and paved the way for future Muslim conquests and migrations. It also had a profound impact on the cultural and religious landscape of Sindh, with many Hindu temples and shrines being replaced by Muslim mosques and shrines. A drone shot of the ruins of Al-Mansura, with the sound of the wind blowing in the background. And that is the story of the conquest of Sindh. A story of ambition, conquest, and cultural exchange, that left an indelible mark.